हिंदी में
So today we had the curtain raiser of the Northeast Infra Summit that will be hosted on the 11th and 12th of June in Meghalaya in Shillong. And this summit is a very important summit for the entire region and in fact for the country as a whole. This summit is coming at the right time because there is a lot of growth that is happening, economic growth and growth in infrastructure that is taking place today in the entire Northeast region. And therefore, we would like to see the private sector also coming in and participating and being part of this growth story that the northeastern states are seeing. And this is primarily happening because of the support and the leadership that we're getting from the Honorable Prime Minister, from the government of India and all the ministries, where there is a special focus in the northeast. And at the same time, all the states in the northeast are also today ready and are focused on ensuring that they take advantage of this entire policy decision. And that is the reason why we feel that this summit will be the most appropriate way to really invite and have people from the industry coming in, and a platform will be provided. So therefore, through the media, I would like to urge all participants to please come and be part of this very important summit that is going to happen. And it will be a platform, as I said, which will bring in all different players and all stakeholders for different infrastructure areas, and it will be a great opportunity for all. So I take this opportunity to officially also invite all of you to attend this particular summit.